I went from zero to $10,000 in 30 days with one product. Not because I'm special, not because I got lucky, but because I mastered a simple system anyone can replicate. So let me tell you exactly how I did it. Most people overcomplicate this business game. They chase 10 different strategies, create multiple products, and end up scattered and broke. I took the opposite approach. I focused on one painful problem and created one solution that people actually wanted to pay for. Here's the brutal truth. Success isn't about having the perfect idea. It's about solving a real problem people are desperate to fix. It's funny to me that people don't understand that and prefer to resell the same crappy AliExpress products instead. My coaching business exploded when I stopped trying to appeal to everyone and started helping specific people overcome specific challenges. So as a painful problem, I started to help people struggling to grow their online business because they couldn't convert prospects into paying clients. They were creating content constantly or directly reaching out to potential customers, but seeing zero return on their investment. Does that sound familiar? So I basically created a coaching program that taught them exactly how to turn their knowledge into a high-ticket offer and close deals confidently. That's it. One focused solution to one painful problem. Now, I've put together a free video training that shows you step by step how I made over 1K a day. I'm giving away all the secrets. You can also book a call with me or my team and we'll show you how to reach $5,000 per month in 90 days or less. But be quick because your limited spots fill up extremely quickly. We literally get hundreds of applications a month and we can't accept everyone. The link will be in the description. Let me break down the exact funnel I built that generated $10,000 in 30 days. First, I crafted an irresistible offer, not some generic coaching package. I'm talking about a specific, results-focused solution that promised a clear transformation. My offer wasn't just business coaching. It was designed to help my clients attract and close high-ticket customers using targeted social media content and a proven sales script. Your offer needs to speak directly to what keeps your potential clients up at night. When someone sees your offer and thinks, this is exactly what I need, price becomes secondary. The second part of my funnel was strategic traffic generation. I didn't spend a dime on ads. Instead, I created targeted content across social media that positioned me as the go-to expert for this specific problem. And here's what most people get wrong. They create general content hoping to appeal to everyone. I did the opposite. Every piece of content I published addressed one aspect of the painful problem my coaching solved. I'm not going to create a piece of content about how I got in shape if that's not my target market. Instead, I shared case studies showing how my methods helped real people to get results. I created short videos breaking down common mistakes people made when trying to close clients. I posted videos sharing my story, my journey that led my audience to visualize what success looked like. This content strategy did two critical things. It pre-qualified my prospects and it established my authority before I ever spoke with them. But content alone isn't enough. That's why the third part of my funnel was strategic appointment setting. I didn't just hope people would reach out. I created specific calls to action that encouraged the right people to book sales calls with me. At the end of every relevant piece of content, I would say something like, if you need help growing your business, you can directly book a free call with me or my team, and we'll see if we can help you. And this approach was magnetic to people struggling with this specific problem. I wasn't trying to convince everyone to work with me, just the people who already recognized they had the problem I could solve. Now, the fourth part of my funnel is where the magic happens. Sales calls. And this is where most people completely drop the ball. They either get nervous and fail to lead the conversation, or they jump straight into pitching their offer without understanding the client's situation. So I developed a simple 5-step sales call structure that consistently converted at about 40%. That means nearly half of the calls I did resulted in a new customer. Step 1. Understanding their current situation. We don't do fake small talk, there's no point. Instead, we ask questions about the prospect's current situation and we listen actively. Now the step after that is to identify their specific pain points. So I ask them targeted questions to help them to articulate exactly where they're struggling. This makes them feel truly understood. The step after that, step 3, is to amplify the cost of inaction. So before presenting my solution, I help them understand what it's going to cost them if they don't solve this problem, not just in money, but also in time, opportunities, and emotional pain. Step 4 is presenting my offer as the bridge from their current situation to their desired outcome. I don't focus on the features of my coaching, I focus on the transformation it delivers. And the fifth step was addressing objections directly and confidently. Price objections usually aren't about the money, they're about perceived value. I help them see the return on investment they'll get from working with me. This structured approach to sales calls was critical to my success. I wasn't randomly winging it, I was guiding potential clients through a proven conversion process. The final piece of my $10,000 funnel was exceptional delivery. I offered 3 tiers of my coaching program: one-on-one coaching for premium clients, group coaching for those who wanted results at a lower price point, and digital products for those who wanted self-paced learning. Having these 3 options allowed me to serve clients at different investment levels while delivering the same core transformation. Some people paid thousands of dollars for coaching, while others paid a few hundred for my digital course. This basically creates an ecosystem of offers where you serve all segments of the market. The key is that every delivery method solved the same painful problem, just with different levels of support and accountability. Now, let me address what you're probably thinking. This sounds great, but will this work for me? The biggest roadblock isn't your market, your experience, or your background. It's your mindset. I spent years doubting myself, thinking I needed more certifications, more knowledge, more everything before I could charge premium prices for my knowledge and my expertise. And this mindset kept me broke and frustrated for a long time. Everything changed when I realized people do not pay for credentials, they pay for solutions to their problems. Right now, you already have knowledge that others would gladly pay for. The question is, are you packaging it into a focused offer that solves a specific painful problem? This isn't about being the world's greatest expert. It's about being resourceful enough to gather the right information and dedicated enough to implement it consistently. When I first started my coaching business, I had imposter syndrome like crazy. Who was I to charge for advice? But then I focused on getting results from one client, then another. Each success built my confidence and refined my system. And let me tell you this, every successful person has imposter syndrome. Yes, even people making 8 figures plus a year. You never fully get rid of it. The biggest mistake I see people making is trying to appeal to everyone. They water down their message, trying to cast a wide net and end up catching nothing. I narrowed down to a specific audience with a specific problem, and that's when everything clicked. Let me tell you about one of my first clients, Alina. She was a nutritionist who knew her stuff but couldn't convert consultations into customers. She was ready to give up on her business entirely. After implementing my system, she signed 5 new clients in 2 weeks, more than she had in the previous 3 months combined. That's the power of solving a specific problem for a specific person. Alina didn't need more nutrition knowledge. She needed a system for converting interested prospects into paying clients. Your potential clients are facing similar struggles right now. They don't need more information. They're drowning in it. They need a transformation. They need someone confident enough to say, I can help you solve this problem. So here's your action plan. Identify one painful problem you can solve. Create one focused offer that delivers a clear transformation. Build a simple funnel. Don't overcomplicate it. Irresistible offer, strategic content, appointment setting, structured sales calls, and exceptional delivery. Then, execute with relentless focus for 30 days. Don't get distracted by shiny objects or new strategies. Master this simple system first. I'm not promising you it's gonna be easy. You will face rejection. You will have moments of doubt. You'll need to push through discomfort. But if you stay committed to solving that one painful problem for your specific audience, $10,000 in 30 days is absolutely achievable. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or overnight success. It's about strategic focus and consistent execution. I built this business by helping one person at a time get real results. You can do the same. The question isn't whether this system works, it clearly does. The question is, are you ready to commit to mastering it? Are you willing to put aside your doubts and excuses and take massive action? Your potential clients are out there right now, struggling with a problem you can solve. They're just waiting for someone confident enough to offer them the solution. Will that someone be you or a competitor? Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Create your opportunity. Focus on one painful problem, create one powerful solution, and execute one proven funnel. That's how I made $10,000 in 30 days, and that's how you can do it too. Remember this. Your income is directly tied to the value you provide and the problems you solve. The more specific the solution, the more valuable the solution. And the more valuable the solution, the more people will pay for it. 30 days from now, you could be looking at your own bank balance and it shows $10,000. All of that from one product. Or you could be exactly in the same position you're in right now, still searching for the secret to success. The choice is yours. So what's it gonna be? Now, I've put together a free video training that shows you step by step how I made over 1K a day. I'm giving away all the secrets. You can also book a call with me or my team and we'll show you how to reach $5,000 per month in 90 days or less. But be quick because your limited spots fill up extremely quickly. We literally get hundreds of applications a month and we can't accept everyone. The link will be in the description. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.